Hi everyone, it's Angela Marola at bmrcovers.com, and today I'm going to show you, this is the gray hey everyone, it's Angela Marola at bmrcovers.com, and today I'm going to show you the changes, the enhancements I made to the Evo cover. And this is the gray fleece cover, and I put a nice kind of finishing border around the whole thing. And also, you might not be able to see, but there are kind of these little line stitching that go in between when you put the Evo inside. It kind of matches with the inside. It's just really decorative, but it just makes it look a little bit nicer. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to put it on and off. The first thing you want to do is you want to take one of the sides, the bottom side, the side that does not have the cord on it. And your whole goal is to try to get it into the corners. Kind of like putting a pillowcase on. They get into the corners, kind of finagle it in there a little bit. And then you flip it over, you just have to sort of finagle it, adjust it. But what we're going to do now is we're going to take the front part, and as it's folded, I think it's the easiest way, and open it up on the inside. And then you pull it, and you just kind of shake it. I make these really snug for the whole purpose of not moving around, and so it also looks really good. So we got it in the end. I'm going to pull out the cord. Yeah, there we go. So you've got this opening for the cord. You can see that. Then you snap it, and you've got nice snug but plenty of room. Still need to shake it a little bit, and then you can fold it up. The nice thing about folding it is it's not as bulky as it might seem. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Really nice fit, really nice fit. And then if you want to put on your B-pad cover, I suggest starting out at the small end here, and you feed it in just a little ways, and then you pull it through. I think that's the easiest way to do it. Kind of just, again, finagle it a little bit. I make these covers, they're thinner in the middle, so that they hug nice and firm. I don't like covers that move around a lot. It's uncomfortable as the user. So you put it on like so, and you've got enough at the end for this to come out, so you don't have a problem there. I am going to start making them so that it covers this side, but for right now, there we have it. And then the final thing is the B-spot cover. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's elastic. Just put the B-spot in there, cover it, and roll it up. So there you have it. Thanks everybody. bmrcovers.com. Bye.